Traveling alone is something I never thought of before. I think I've always been the type of person who wants company, friends or family to share my experience with. But also there will be times you have to do things by yourself, and this trip is one of them. This is my first time traveling to South Korea. Also kind of my first time traveling solo. Aesop invited me for the launch of their new fragrance and decided to just stay a little bit longer to explore the city. No? Oh, good. I think it's okay, I'll just put it myself. It's kind of heavy. Can tell me that. Oh, please.
Sorry. much inspired by the quote by Charles Baudelaire, who says, "Strangeness is a necessary ingredient of beauty, and that little flower is bringing us this strange factory."
The first few days of work didn't really feel like working at all. I just really enjoyed the journey of meeting and connecting with new people, and of course, getting to know the brand. Most of them had to fly back home, so I thought maybe I should too. Just kidding. I'm on my way to another part of the city, Hongdae. My day 3 Seoul, and now I'm gonna look for a dinner place. I just asked the reception for some recommendations, and they gave me a location, and I'm just navigating with neighbor map, so I don't know the place, and I'm rushing my way because it's only until 8:30, so this is my view right now. I got you this time.
Simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one.
Traveling alone isn't as scary as I thought. Actually, it's kinda nice. You get to move at your own pace, do whatever you want, just be. Seoul made it easy. Think I'll do this again sometime. Yeah, I'd like that.